An income statement by department breaks down the revenue, expenses, and profit or loss for each department, helping management assess performance and make informed decisions on budgeting and resource allocation. To view the income statement reports by department, follow the following steps. From the main dashboard, locate and click on the Reports module. Upon clicking the Reports module, a password authentication window will appear. Enter your secure password to confirm your access, and click on Authenticate to access the Reports dashboard. After successful authentication, the Reports Analytics window will appear. Click on the Reports menu to display the list of modules. From the menu list, select Accounts to generate specific accounts reports. On the Accounts Reports dashboard, click on the drop-down menu to display the list of accounts reports. You can narrow down the search by typing the name of the report you wish to view. To view the report, select the income statement detailed by department. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to select a specific branch. Choose the desired branch and click on Choose to proceed. In the next window that appears, select the fiscal period for which you wish to access the report and click on Choose. In the next window, select the department you wish to view the report and click on Choose. Adjust the dates as needed to capture the report for the period you need and click on View. The report will be generated successfully as shown. Here, you can zoom the report in or out based on your need using the zoom icon as shown. An income statement by department is a financial report that breaks down the income, expenses, and net income or loss for individual departments within an organization over a specific period. It helps management assess the performance of each department, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions regarding budgeting and resource allocation. At the end of the report, the system provides the total expenses and total net income or loss. This is based on the accrual basis of accounting, which recognizes revenue and expenses when they are earned or incurred. You can share the report via email, download it in different formats, or print it directly from your browser based on your need using the icons.